super duper excited for today's video, guys. It's because this is my first time to do a first impression review here on my channel. So please bear with me, guys. And on my face right now, as you can see, I already did my base, my brows, my eyelashes, and my lips off cam. If you wanna know what products I use, you can check out the description box down below. Going to review for today the Vice Cosmetics Aura Collection Top Cheekret. And just for a brief info lang, guys, Vice Cosmetics Aura Collection was launched last November 15, I think, and luckily I ordered mine through their Shopee account, but I didn't order the whole line because I feel like hindi naman lahat ng shade magsusuit sa skin tone ko. Plus, ayoko din bumibili ng mga products na hindi ko naman talaga magagamit lahat. So, yeah, that's why ang binili ko lang is one for the contour, one for the blush, and one for the highlight. So, here's mine. Ayan. So, binuksan ko na to, guys, para mas mapabilis yung review natin for today. And ito sila. Ayan. So, super cute, diba? And actually, nung umorder ako sa Shopee nila, parang it takes like 2 to 3 days bago ko na-receive yung product. And super bilis na nun, guys. Almost 1 week na atang nasa akin to na hindi ko pa sila nagagamit. And super nagtitiis lang talaga ako kasi super excited na talaga akong matry sila. So, now, let's start with the review. And for the packaging, as you can see, this is the signature color ng Vice Cosmetics collection talaga. Ito talaga yung nag-represent na color sa kanila ever since. And actually before, hindi ko bet yung color, but now medyo na-appreciate ko na. So for the packaging itself, it feels very plastic, but the texture naman is nice. Ayan. So it doesn't feel cheap at all. At the back, ito, says here that it is smooth, vibrant, and buildable. The ingredients are also indicated here, where it is manufactured. The price is also here at the back, and it's only 145 pesos, guys. So, super duper affordable na nun. Plus, it contains 3.5 grams of product. And lastly, nakalagay din dito na it is paraben-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So, alam naman natin na ganun talaga si Vice Cosmetics. And now, let's talk about what's inside. So, here it is. Ayan. So, as you can see, or hindi na makita, ayan. Sa center mismo ng powder, merong naka-emboss dyan na stars, and that stars represents Vice Ganda status daw. So, if ever na hindi nyo pa alam, so now you know. So now, as you can see, super flat matte ng face ko. Let's start with the contour. For the contour, they call this the Aura Contour. They have 2 shades for this one, the Porshur and the Confirm. So, I'm going to flash a photo right now on your screen para makita nyo yung 2 shades na sinasabi ko. Actually, what I have in here is the shade Porshur. And si shade Porshur daw is a neutral contour, while si Confirm naman, a deep contour siya. So, ang kinuha ko si Porshur, it's because hindi naman talaga ako mahilig mag-contour. So, kapag nagko-contour ako, parang ginagawa ko na rin siyang bronzer. So, it's like bronze tour. Mas bet ko din yung mga ganitong type of shades para mas subtle lang yung effect niya sa ating face. And let's swatch it first. So, yeah, it really feels smooth, guys, as in. And actually, nangihinayang akong iswatch kasi baka mawala na agad yung stars. So, here's the swatch, guys, ng shade Porshur. Ayan, as you can see. Very subtle lang talaga siya, guys. Ayan. Let's see if powdery ba siya or not. Merong konting natatap off, guys. But definitely natitira sa brush yung mismong pigment ng product. So now, let's apply it on this side first para makita nyo kung ano yung effect niya. So very light-handed lang. And of course, sa jawline para mas ma-emphasize. As you can see, medyo nagkaroon na siya ng shadow on this side of my face compared to this one. So now, let's apply it on the other side. And of course, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ng ating nose contour. Just going to get a small blending brush. I like it. So far, so good, you guys. Gusto ko yung pagiging subtle nitong shade na Porshur. I'm pretty impressed. Yan. So, as you can see, medyo tumatangos na po yung ating ilong. Blend lang natin ng very light. So, we're now done with the contour or the bronzer part. So, let's move forward with the blush. So, for the blush, they call this the Aura Blush. For this one, they have 8 shades. So, I'm going to flash a photo again on your screen para makita niyo yung 8 shades na yon. So, they have Applauded, Sweet Lang, Winner, Shala, Manika, Bucon, Talyada, and Title. So, ayun yung 8 shades, guys. And what I have in here is the shade Title. So, ito siya on the inside. Ayan. Ito yung pinili ko, guys, kasi I feel like ito yung pinaka-safe na shade for a blush na hindi ka talaga magkakamali. Like, for all skin tone siya. Let's swatch this, guys. So, smooth talaga, promise. As in, super smooth niya. Ang sarap niyang iswatch. Like, nakakapanghinayang talaga na mawala yung mga stars. Looking at it sa pan, guys, it looks familiar to me. Yung Careline Oil Control Blush On. Wait, kukunin ko muna. So, ito si Careline Oil Control Blush On, guys. And ito naman si Title. So, ayan. As you can see, diba, medyo similar sila. So, iswatch nga natin silang dalawa para makita natin kung gaano sila ka-similar to each other. So, here's the swatch, guys. So, ito si Starlight Shine from Careline. And ito naman si Title from Vice Cosmetics. So, si Careline Starlight Shine also contains 3.5 grams of product. So, if you're looking for a dupe nung shade na Title from the Aura collection ng Vice Cosmetics, you can check out the Careline Starlight Shine Oil Control Blush On. So, kanina, guys, habang sinaswatch ko tong si Title, yung texture niya is same with the contour. Very smooth lang din. So, gagamit lang din ako ng fluffy blush brush. Tap-tap lang tayo, guys, para hindi tayo ma-overwhelm. Kasi I feel like it's super pigmented. So, as you can see, may natira pa rin pigment sa brush. And now, let's apply this muna dito sa other side. So, pag nagba-blush ako, guys, ganito lang. Tinatap-tap ko lang siya sa aking skin kasi ayokong na-overwhelm sa blush. Sometimes kasi ganun yung nagagawa ko and at the end of the day, pinagsisisihan ko. So, ito si Title, guys, on my other cheek. Now, let's apply it on the other side. Here's what the shade Title looks like on my cheeks. Ayan. So, very natural kind of a blush lang siya on my cheeks. That's why, sabi ko nga, ito yung pinaka-safe na shade talaga. Kung gusto mo lang namang itry, go for the shade Title. So, ito na yung pinaka-exciting part. I love putting on highlighters. I love the glow on my face. So, kahit na oily skin ako, guys, gustong-gusto kong merong glow yung aking face kasi sometimes nakakatulong yung glow para medyo malesen yung pagiging dull or tired looking ng face natin. That's why gustong-gusto kong nag-highlight. They call this the Aura Glow. For this one, they have 3 shades available and I'm going to flash again on your screen para makita nyo. So, they have the Shining, Shimmering, and Splendid. What I got in here pala is the shade Splendid. Ito siya. Kung sa screen, para lang siyang white na highlighter, but it is not. So, champagne siya, guys. Now, let's swatch it, guys, para makita nyo. Oh my goodness, guys. Iba yung texture niya from the 2 products, which is the blush and the contour. Mas smooth siya, mas buttery yung feels niya. And, grabe, nakakapanghinayang talaga yung stars, guys. Promise. Oh my God, you guys! One swipe lang yan, ha? As you can see, ayan, super duper good. I like it. Nakaka-impress sa swatch pa lang. O, diba? For this one, I'm going to use a fan brush to apply this. And super konti lang din yung kukunin ko. Kasi ayoko nga na-overwhelm sa mga products. And, yeah. So, tap off the excess. And now, let's try this dito sa kabilang side muna. So, let's see. Oh my God, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I cannot. Just look at that, guys. Para sa akin, ito na yung subtle kind of a highlight. But actually, it's buildable pa, you guys. May possibilities talaga na maging blinding tong highlighter na to. Nakakaloka for 145 pesos and you get a good quality product like this. Wala na akong masabi. Nakakaloka. Look at that glow, girl. Look at that. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam ano sasabihin ko sa highlighter. Super duper ganda niya. So now, let's try this on the other side para makita talaga natin yung finished product on the cheeks. Oh my God, guys. Parang hindi ka mapapagod maglagay ng highlighter with this one. Super nice. Oh my God. Just look at that. Ewan ko ba ulit-ulit yung sinasabi ko, but glow kung glow talaga, diba? Mag-a-apply din nga pala ako sa tip of my nose and sa nose bridge para mas pagmukhang matangos feels yung ating nose. O, diba? Pak! O, diba? Pak ilong! Nagka-ilong si ate! Pak! Nice one! Super ganda! And sa Cupid's bow din pala, guys. Ayan. Can you believe it? Na 145 pesos lang yung ginamit kong highlight. I cannot talaga, guys. I cannot. As in, Move on na tayo. And I've heard na itong mga products na to ay pwede rin as an eyeshadow. So, let's try it. And for the first shade ang gagamitin natin is si Porshur, which is the contour. So, medyo rhyming yun na. And tap off the excess. And apply natin siya as our transition shade. Pakiramdam ko, guys, mabilis kong mauubos tong product na to. I feel like lagi kong gagamitin to after this. So, looking at it, nagkaroon na ng shadow yung eyelids ko from this side compared to this side. So, mag-a-apply na rin ako sa kabilang side. Kasi, isang brush lang yung gagamitin ko for my eyes. Dahil nakakatamad po maglinis ng brush. Who can relate? Ayan, meron na tayong konting shadow sa ating eyes. And for the next shade, gagamitin natin si blush, which is the shade Title. Gamitin lang natin siya dito sa outer corners ng ating eyes. Let's use the highlighter, which is the shade Splendid. And gagamitin natin siya as a topper sa center ng ating lids. So, I'm just going to use my fingers, guys, para mas maganda yung kapit ng product. Balik lang ako sa ating brush para i-blend out yung edges. Maglalagay din ako sa aking tear duct. So, here is the final look, you guys. Ayan. So, ito ulit yung shade na Porshur, Title, and the Splendid. So, ayan sila. Actually, I'm planning to do a wear test of this one. But, na-realize ko din na it's a powder, you guys. So, may possibilities talaga na mahula sila for a day. But, for me, in my own opinion, it's not a big deal. Kasi, reapplying just in case na gusto mo, you can do that, diba? And it's up to your own preference talaga kung gusto mong mag-reapply or not. But as for me, it's okay na mag-reapply. But to make it more last longer, I suggest na gumamit kayo ng mga face mist or gumamit kayo ng magandang primer para mas tumagal yung mga makeup sa ating face and hindi sila mahuhulas agad. So, I can stop looking at my highlighter. And for my final thoughts, guys, I really love it. The shades are really made for Filipina skin tones. The formulation is so good. For 145 pesos, you guys, it exceeded my expectations talaga. Itong mga products na to, guys, for 145 pesos nga, this is perfect for beginners out there or sa mga bago pa lang sa blush, highlight, and contour. This is perfect, guys. As in, you guys should get your hands on this one. If you're going to ask me, is it a grab it or drop it? Well, it's grab it, you guys, talaga. So, that's my final thoughts. So, that is it, guys, for my first impression review of the Vice Cosmetics Aura Collection Top Cheekret. And I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And please comment down below if you already tried these products, guys, para ma-share niyo yung mga thoughts nyo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment then down below. For more updates, just please follow me on my social media handles. It is always linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button beside it for you to get notified every time I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next one. Bye! Mwah.